Dear students, today we are going to see description of vowel sounds in English language. As we have seen that there are 20 vowels, out of which 12 vowels are pure vowels. They are as shown in the diagram and they have been placed at a specific place in the diagram. Now seeing their position in the diagram, we can give the three-term label to these vowel sounds. Let us see the three-term label given to the front vowels. This is E. Okay, so when we think about this sound, it is in the front part of the tongue, and when we think about its position, it is at the close level, and when we think about the position of the lips, they are unrounded. So this vowel will be termed as front close unrounded vowel. Similarly, when we think about this second sound, we have to understand the fact that this is also in the front part of the tongue. However, it is near the central, and so it is centralized front. When we think about the how high it is, then we have to understand that it is half close level. So it will be okay centralized front half close. Okay, when we think about the position of the lips, then they are unrounded. Hence, this sound will be termed as centralized front half close unrounded vowel. Similarly, when we move for third vowel, we can understand that this is also the sound which is at the front part of the tongue. Okay, and when we think about the height of the tongue, height of the sound, then we can understand that it is between half close and half open. So we have to understand that this sound will be termed as front. When we talk about the position of the lips, obviously when we say A, it is unrounded, they are little bit spread. Hence, A will be front unrounded vowel between half close and half open position. When we think about the final sound of the front part of the tongue, then we can understand that it is A. Okay, when we think about the position of the lips, A, the lips are a little bit spread. Okay, mouth is to some extent widened. Hence, this sound will be termed as front unrounded vowel just below half open positions.